everyone, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to make an easy zipper pouch exactly like this one. You can use only scrap fabrics to create an easy patchwork design. In the inside we have a lining. In this way we'll have a finished product. So now let's see what we need for this kind of project. I'm using cotton fabric, 2 fabric prints for the outside of the pouch and the black one for the inside, and some fleece, and a zip that measures 21 centimeters. You must cut 3 rectangles from the first fabric print that measure 9 by 13 centimeters and 3 rectangles from the second fabric print with the same measurements. After you have cut 6 rectangles, you must create your own patchwork design. We will need 3 rectangles for the front part of the pouch and 3 for the back. Now let's sew those rectangles right side together, pin it, and sew with a straight line. I finished sewing and I will open everything and iron. After that I will put the third rectangle right side together and make a straight line. Then I will repeat the same for the other one. Now we have 2 rectangles for the outside of the pouch, but we must cut the lining. We will cut 2 rectangles that measure 24 by 13 centimeters and 2 rectangles of fleece that have the same measurements. Now we'll put the fleece on the back side of the rectangles that we have done before. We will pin everything and we will sew the center part and all the way around to fix everything. And this is how it looks after I've sewed the fleece on the back side of the rectangles, but now I will cut the excess of fleece all the way around. To put the zip, we must find the center part of every piece that we have, and to make this, I will fold the zip in 2 exactly like you see, and I'm making some cuts on the center part in both sides. And how I've said before, we must make the same with all the other pieces that we have. To sew the zip, I will take a rectangle of the outside of the pouch and I will put this rectangle with the right side up and the zip will be with the right side down. I will fix everything with pins and of course you must center the zip very well. And to sew everything you must use a zipper foot. I finished sewing and it's time to put the lining, and to make this I will take a rectangle and put it with the right side down, center everything and fix with pins. I will sew on the other side because in this way I can see the seaming that I have done before. I finished sewing the lining and let's open everything. In this way, fix everything and of course iron. Then you can make a straight line on the top part. Now it's time to sew the other part of the zip, and to make this we will repeat the same that you have seen before. I'm taking the second rectangle and I will put this rectangle with the right side up And on top of this I will put the zip with the right side down. Center everything, fixing with pins, then proceed in the same way that you have done for the other part of the zip. After I completed sewing the zip, I've cut a couple of centimeters of ribbing. I've folded this into to create a loop that will be sewn on the side of the pouch. I will fix with a pin and make a straight line. To close the pouch, we must open the zip a couple of centimeters and put everything right side together. Exactly how you see, and fix everything with pins all the way around. After you have pinned, you must sew all the way around and let a seam allowance of half centimeter and an opening on the bottom part of the lining. And be careful to not touch with the needle the metal part of the zip. I finished sewing all the way around, but before we turn the pouch inside out, we must cut the excess of the zip and the corners exactly like you see. But be careful to not cut the seaming that you have done before. When you turn everything inside out, you must open the zip. To close the opening that I have on the lining, I will fold the fabric inside like this and make a straight line. This is how it looks my pouch. I've done 2 of those, exactly how you have seen on the beginning of this video using another print fabric, and the tutorial is over. I hope that you have enjoyed this kind of video. If you have any question, you can put it down on the comment section, and I see you the next time. Bye bye!